week 11 now, and I'm recording this after my first session, so I already know that this week is not going to go according to plan. No, it's just for bench, honestly. So today I went in for bench. I was supposed to do 255 for 2 reps, and as soon as I got in there and I was warming up, I got to 245 for 1 rep, and I could barely hit it. Like, I got it, but so I talked to Charlie, and he was like, all right, well, he's like, let me see. He was in there training somebody else, so he said, drop it back to 235 and do that for 2 reps. So I did that, and I struggled with it a little bit. So he's like he had me take all the plates off and just do 1 plate. He's like, let me look at your form. And he didn't like my form, so he's like, all right, well, he's like, for the other sets it was supposed to be 3 sets of 2 at 205. He said, we're gonna drop it down to 195. He's like, I want you to really focus on keeping tension and pausing at the bottom. So I did that. So bench is gonna be interesting, but we'll see how the rest of the week plays out for my other lifts, for squat and deadlift. Hopefully those will go well. We'll see.
so long, it had been so long, my mind filled in the blanks. I dreamt we spoke, I dreamt we spoke again. It'd been so long, it had been so long, your voice was like a ghost in my head. Is anything the way it used to be? Dreamt we spoke, I dreamt we spoke again. And I awoke, I could not remember anything you said. Dreamt we spoke, I dreamt we spoke.